down up finger tight for a start. Critical now that you get this lined up across here, so check that it's lining up with the back, and then hold it in the middle and do the bottom two bolts up. Don't over tighten them. Now the front legs. Insert it in there. Should be a snug fit in there. Put your washer onto your bolt, and once again finger tighten that. Now it's time to level the chair. Find a flat surface. For this we've got a piece of custom wood. Sit it on there and check if it's level, and as we can see from this one it's way out of level. You can see a big gap under there. So we can see from that this leg here needs to go in further and this one here could come out further. So we'll start with one side, we'll start with pushing this one in as far as we can. Loosen off the screws, and then we push this into the hole as far as we can. There's quite a bit of movement in the hole, so you can go up as far as you can. Hold that in and then re-tighten the bolts. Before we do anything with this side, we'll just recheck that. So there's still quite a bit of wobble in that, so we now need to bring this leg out. Loosen it off and then pull this leg out as far as it'll go, and then we can re-tighten those. Once again, before we tighten them too much, we'll recheck that level. So once again we can see it's a lot better, but there's still a slight wobble in there, so I'm going to try and just get this one in a little bit further. Here we have it, perfectly level. Once you've done that, you need to go through and make sure all bolts are tightened up.